So welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to find the area of a rectangle using the function in Python programming. And to do this we need the length of a rectangle, and we also need the width of the rectangle. And we are going to ask the user to provide us with the length and the width, and that's what we are going to start by. And our first variable in this case will be length equals int, because we want to convert the input from the user into an integer. And we are going to ask the user enter the length. And we are also going to ask the user to provide us with the width. And we are going just to copy paste and simply change a few things here and there. Width, we are now in need of a width, not a length. So once the user provides us with the width and the length, then we are going to use the function to calculate the area of the rectangle. So in this case, we are going to define a function using the keyword def, and then we are going to call our function area, and we are going to return length multiplied by width, because that's how we find the area of a rectangle. And once we multiply the length by the width, we need to call our function, and our function in this case is called area. If we do not call the function, the program is not going to return anything to us. So we need to call the function, or to simply to invoke the function. And now we want to print the output. And because of this, because we want to use it in the area function in another part of the programming, we can assign it to the function to a variable k, so that we can use it to call the function. So then we need to print the output, and this is what we are going to do here. We are going to do the area of a rectangle is the area of your rectangle is, then we call the variable that we have created here, k. This is going to provide us with the area of the rectangle that the user will provide us with the length and the width. So we can run this program to generate the output, and we can first save the program, then we run the program, and the output should be out in a few seconds in the terminal, and that's what we are waiting for. In the terminal, it should be out in just a few seconds. Oh, and here it is generating for us the output. So we expect the program to start by asking us to provide the length, to enter the length, and also then here it is, our length is maybe 9, our width may be 5, and the area of our rectangle is 45. That is 9 multiplied by 5, we get the area of our rectangle. Thank you for watching. That's a simple function for finding the area of a rectangle. I hope it has been very informative to you, and if it is, please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.